From the moment I laid eyes on the Heybike Alpha e-bike, I was impressed by its bold design and its promise of delivering a superior off-road riding experience. Available in both a step-through version in Classic Pearl White and a traditional step-over in Galaxy Black. The bike clearly caters to a wide range of riders. The 6061 aluminum alloy frame, robust yet deceptively lightweight, immediately conveyed that this was not merely an urban commuter bike, but a machine built for serious adventures. Every curve and line appeared to have been engineered with both visual appeal and functionality in mind, hinting at the thoughtful design philosophy behind Heybike. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. Unboxing the bike is straightforward, and all necessary tools for assembly are included. First, I removed the packaging straps and opened the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down. I slid the e-bike out carefully, stand the e-bike up and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the Heybike Alpha e-bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align to your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork at the front wheel and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. Before setting off, I spent time examining the bike closely, admiring how the integrated battery system, the well-placed handlebars, and the smooth operating Shimano Altus 8-speed shifter all work together in harmony. This meticulous attention to detail made it clear that the Heybike Alpha was purpose-built not only for efficiency but also for comfort and ease of use across diverse terrains. I set out early one misty morning when the soft feel of dawn and the crisp mountain air combined to create a perfect backdrop for a day of exploration in the North Georgia mountains, a landscape renowned for its challenging trails and breathtaking vistas. At the heart of the Heybike Alpha lies a powerful 500-watt Ebikes mid-drive motor, a design choice that immediately distinguishes itself from e-bikes with hub motors. The mid-drive configuration not only improves weight distribution but also enhances stability, an essential quality when tackling steep inclines and unpredictable paths. The motor is paired with an advanced torque sensor that accurately translates the pressure of my pedals into up to 105 Newton meters of torque. This synergy between human effort and motor assistance meant that even the steepest climbs, every pedal stroke felt natural, with the bike providing just the right amount of support to carry me upward. As I pushed off onto the winding mountain roads, the performance of the Heybike Alpha continued to impress. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour, the bike is more than capable of delivering a thrilling ride along both flat stretches and rugged twisty paths. The 680 watt-hour battery promised a maximum range of up to 60 miles on a single charge. During my expedition, the battery performed reliably, powering the e-bike through varying terrains without a hint of faltering, a fact underscored by its UL 2271 certification. The knowledge that I could traverse multiple trails without fretting over battery depletion allowed me to fully immerse myself in the experience, enjoying the freedom that only such dependable technology can offer. The North Georgia mountains, with their steep ascents, rocky paths, and winding descents, provided the perfect testing ground for the Heybike Alpha's capability. My first significant challenge was a narrow trail that quickly escalated into a demanding climb. In situations where a steep incline can drain your energy and spirit, the Alpha's motor and torque sensor combined to provide a smooth, powerful boost that made the ascent feel almost effortless. With 5 levels of pedal assist available, I was able to adjust the support to match the gradient of the trail, allowing me to engage my own strength on less demanding sections while relying on the motor for steeper parts. This flexibility transformed what would normally be an exhausting climb into a controlled, enjoyable ascent, all while maintaining a natural pedaling feel that kept the ride both engaging and efficient. Once I reached a plateau, the trail opened up into a series of rocky, uneven paths that truly tested the bike's off-road capability. Here, the 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires revealed their full potential. Their deep treads and generous volume provided outstanding traction and cushioning, which made traversing loose gravel and uneven surfaces feel stable and controlled. The tires absorbed the shocks and vibrations that are typical on rocky trails, smoothing out the ride and allowing me to maintain my momentum with confidence. This robust tire performance, combined with the stable 6061 aluminum alloy frame and an adept suspension fork, ensured that even when the terrain became unpredictable, I remained secure and comfortable. Descending the mountains brought its own set of challenges, as the thrill of the ride had to be balanced with the need for absolute control and safety. The downward slopes were long and steep, with curves that required constant adjustments to maintain balance. In these moments, the Heybike Alpha's hydraulic disc brakes demonstrated their critical importance. They provided a smooth, controlled deceleration that instilled confidence with every press, ensuring that even at higher speeds, the bike could be stopped promptly and safely. The consistency and responsiveness of the brakes were particularly evident during tight turns and sudden dips in the trail, where the ability to slow down rapidly was not just convenient, but essential for maintaining control on the rugged descent. Throughout my ride, the Shimano Altus 8-speed shifter played an indispensable role in ensuring that the bike's performance was always optimized. Whether I was deaccelerating on flat stretches or shifting gears to tackle a challenging incline, the transitions were fluid and reliable. The precise gear changes ensured that the motor's power was effectively harnessed at all times, reducing unnecessary strain and allowing me to focus on the nuances of the trail. This harmonious blend of mechanical precision and electronic assistance made every part of the ride feel finely tuned and perfectly balanced, further elevating the overall experience. Comfort and ergonomics are as vital as performance when it comes to long rides, and the Heybike Alpha excels in this arena as well. The ergonomic design of the handlebars and the overall frame geometry ensured that even after hours on the trails, I experienced minimal fatigue. The fat tires played a crucial role in absorbing the impacts of rough terrain, significantly reducing vibrations and shocks that can quickly turn a pleasurable ride into an uncomfortable ordeal. One of the most notable aspects of the Heybike Alpha is its impressive payload capacity. With a maximum load of 400 pounds, the bike is designed to accommodate not only the rider, but also extra gear or supplies. This generous capacity makes the Alpha an excellent companion for long rides or multi-day adventures, where carrying extra equipment is essential, whether it's for grocery shopping, on urban streets, or loading up for a weekend camping trip in the wilderness. The bike's robust design ensures that additional weight is handled with ease. The peace of mind provided by this capacity, combined with the comprehensive UL certifications for both the electronic components and the battery, reinforces the sense of reliability and durability that the Heybike Alpha brings to every ride. As the day progressed, and the varied landscape of the North Georgia mountains unfolded before me, I found that every component of the Heybike Alpha contributed to an overall experience that was as exhilarating as it was secure. The powerful mid-drive motor and the precise torque sensor transformed challenging climbs into manageable and even enjoyable endeavors, while the robust fat tires and adept suspension ensured that rocky, uneven paths were traversed with minimal discomfort. The hydraulic disc brakes delivered strong, consistent stopping power, allowing for safe descents and quick responses in unpredictable situations. Meanwhile, the seamless integration of smart technology provided a constant stream of valuable information, making every ride feel both modern and connected. Each element of the bike worked together in perfect harmony, creating a riding experience that was both intuitive and inspiring. Reflecting on my time in the North Georgia mountains, I realized that the Heybike Alpha e-bike is far more than just a mode of transportation. It represents a well-crafted fusion of technology, design, and performance, intended to elevate the spirit of adventure and the joy of exploration. Whether you're an experienced off-road enthusiast or a newcomer eager to experience the benefit of electric assistance on challenging terrains, the Alpha stands out as a remarkable piece of engineering that caters to every need. Its powerful motor, responsive torque sensor, and advanced connectivity features ensure that every ride is not only efficient but also thoroughly engaging. The bike's robust construction, highlighted by its durable frame, reliable battery, and high-performance braking system, makes it a trustworthy companion on any journey. Riding the Heybike Alpha through the North Georgia mountains was an experience that will remain etched in my memory for years to come. It was a day marked by breathtaking views, challenging trails, and a seamless fusion of human effort and cutting-edge technology. The Alpha proved to be a reliable companion in every sense, transforming obstacles into opportunities for adventure and turning the physical demands of the trail into a journey of exhilarating ease. In the end, every moment on the bike was a reminder that the true joy of riding lies not just in reaching your destination, but in savoring the journey along the way. For anyone seeking to elevate their outdoor adventures and explore the untamed beauty of nature with the assistance of modern technology, the Heybike Alpha should be on your short list. That's all for today's video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next adventure.